We should grow up, we should mature, we should get ourselves transformed. Gurudev gave example. What is the example? Example of real non-attachment, ripe mango. Gurudev said, a tiny mango is green, sour taste. Many times people don't like it. The same green mango, growing up, its color has changed, its smell has changed, its flavor has changed, and one day the mango is falling, people run to take the ripe mango. Similarly, we should mature ourselves, we should become ripe mango, and not that outside color is changing alone. Raw mango, inside is white color. Ripe mango, golden color. So Gurudev said, inside, outside color should change. This is the transformation. This is maturity. You must be chanting the mantra, Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukam Iva Bandhanan Mrutyur Mukshiyam Amrutat. Urvaruka. Urvaruka is a special kind of cucumber. Urvaruka is a special kind of cucumber. Those who are from Odisha, they can easily understand Phuti Kakudi. Urvaruka is a special type of cucumber. Same creeper, same flower, but the fruit is different. Cucumber we eat raw, but this cucumber we eat ripe. It is a fruit. When this cucumber is growing up, how they do this in the farm? In the farmer covers up this cucumber with straw. Nowadays plastic might be coming, I don't know they use it or not. But the traditional way, they put a straw covering and tie both the end. So the cucumber is covered with straw. Why? Because when it matures and ripes, its skin might split when it is ripe. So it should not get tossed to the earth, be contaminated. But how to know it is covered? How to know it is ripe or not? When it is ripe, it is detached from the creeper. Just you can know it is ripe or not, just touch it, it is detached. Then you know it is ready. Very simple way. It is said in this Mahamrutyunjaya mantra, Urvarukam Iva, like this special cucumber. Detached from the creeper. Let I be detached from this creeper of the world, which has made me crippled. Remember, the creeper of the world, the worldly attachment, has made me crippled. I want to be healthy. I want to be matured.